Hello there, secret agents. Gadget Guy reporting in, broadcasting on a secure channel. I just got word of a tech exchange. I'm on my way to the drop site right now, but I'm broadcasting on this channel just in case anything goes down. I want there to be a record of what happened. Another agent I've been working with on some top secret missions has his hands on a piece of communications equipment that I think a lot of parties are going to be interested in. He's asking for some support to trade that piece out with something that I've been working on personally, some pretty heady stuff. Trying not to be too suspicious. Definitely blue car being kind of sus. Our super secret meeting place. Pretty sure no one's found out about this place just yet. It's where all of our secret drops go whenever we're trying to do something on the down low. Gonna see if I can find where TK might be camping, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, I'm totally here at the drop. I've got the package ready to go. Got to find some place where I can leave this, someplace where in case anyone were to walk by in this totally secluded, super secret drop-off location, they wouldn't notice it. I got to be able to keep my eye on it. I've been scouting around. I think I've found the perfect location. Just got to sneak out now. I got to be super, super chilled just in case anyone might be around. Let's see. All right, the perfect drop-off place right there. Yeah, be able to keep an eye on that, that's for sure. No one's gonna notice that. Just perfect spycraft. We're right on time for the drop. I think I see him. All right, let me see if I can get a better look. Yeah, he's approaching. I already sent him my GPS location. That's him. All right, we've got TK sighted, confirmed. He's checking this out. Keep eyes on, keep eyes on. All right, I think he sees the location. He sees it. All right. Now play it cool, TK, play it cool. Come on, man, come on. He's found the drop, he's making the exchange. Excellent, like clockwork. Good job, TK. Okay, I'm gonna give him just a minute. Let him clear. I'm gonna have to go and grab that package. All right. Okay, I think we're clear. Let me grab this. Let's see what we've got. Yep, right here. Excellent. Okay. All right, got the package, we've got the drop, the exchange has been made. I've got to get out of here. Got to do this really on the DL. Don't want to call any attention to myself in case people might be out walking around. Yep, just totally normal, like I do this every day. But we got it. The exchange has been made. I'm gonna take this off now. I was really nervous. I saw some people walking around back there. I think I might have been made, or if there's another team that might be monitoring what TK and I are doing. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're watching communication on this channel. It's gonna be pretty harrowing, and I wanna make sure that we get this job done right. I'm counting on you, techies. I've always appreciated how you've had my back, keeping an eye out. If anything goes sideways on this channel, I hope I'll be able to get a message out to you so that you know what's going on. I can't talk any longer. I've already been broadcasting long enough. So keep an eye out for future videos, for future reviews. Also check out TK's channel because he's gonna have some stuff to say too. And I'll catch you all on the next broadcast.